The military capabilities of the United States are extensive and multifaceted, encompassing a powerful combination of advanced technologies, strategic training programs, and a robust logistical framework that allows for rapid response and sustained operations across the globe. One of the key strengths of the American military lies in its investment in cutting-edge technology, including drones, cyber warfare capabilities, and sophisticated weapon systems, which enhance its effectiveness on modern battlefields. Additionally, the United States maintains a network of alliances and partnerships around the world, which not only reinforces its military presence but also facilitates collaborative training and operational planning with allied nations. Moreover, the U.S. military emphasizes preparedness through continuous training and modernization programs, ensuring that its personnel are equipped with the latest skills and knowledge to adapt to evolving global security challenges. In terms of logistics, the United States excels in maintaining a well-coordinated supply chain that enables rapid deployment of forces and resources, ensuring that troops are well equipped and ready to respond to crises at a moment's notice. Furthermore, the integration of advanced simulation and training technologies allows U.S. forces to conduct realistic exercises that prepare them for various operational scenarios, significantly improving readiness and response times. The strategic planning processes within the U.S. military are underpinned by comprehensive intelligence assessments and effective communication systems, which enable leaders to make informed decisions and coordinate complex operations seamlessly. Importantly, the role of the American military extends beyond combat operations. It also includes humanitarian efforts, peacekeeping missions, and disaster relief operations that demonstrate its commitment to global security and assistance. In pursuit of continuous improvement, the U.S. military invests significantly in research and development to create innovative technologies that enhance its operational capabilities and ensure superiority over potential adversaries. Additionally, community engagement and public relations efforts are integral parts of the military's mission, as they work to build trust with civilian populations and emphasize their role as protectors of freedom and stability. Operational efficiency is further achieved through the meticulous maintenance and modernization of military assets, ensuring that every component is ready for deployment and capable of meeting mission requirements. The ability of the U.S. military to conduct joint exercises across various domains, including land, air, and sea, demonstrates its commitment to readiness and effectiveness against multifaceted threats in diverse environments. Continuous professional development and logistical oversight remain essential components of maintaining an agile and effective force, allowing military personnel to adapt to changing technologies and operational demands swiftly.